Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing the device. Charge it, insert the active Airtel SIM, and disable any SIM PIN on a phone first if needed. Once the SIM is in place, press and hold the power button until LEDs blink. This tells you the hotspot is booting. Make sure the network LED turns solid or flashes to indicate signal. If it stays off, move near a window or higher floor. This immediate setup gets the device online, so you can configure Wi-Fi next. Once done connecting to the default SSID, open 192.168.1.1 in a browser or launch the Airtel Hotspot app and log in with the default username and password printed on the device. You will see Wi-Fi settings, change the SSID to something memorable and set a strong password to secure access. Make sure to choose the appropriate band, too. 4 GHz gives range, while 5 GHz gives speed. Save settings and reboot the hotspot. If prompted, so connected device. You finish by connecting several devices and testing browsing or a speed test to confirm performance. If you need persistent reliability, enable auto reconnect and allow firmware updates. These improve stability and security. If the connection fails, first reboot the hotspot and your device. If that doesn't work, toggle mobile data or airplane mode on a phone tethered to the SIM, verify APN settings match Airtel, and reposition the hotspot for better signal. One quick troubleshooting tip: rebooting the hotspot resolves most transient network issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.